Hey everyone, it's Megan with CraftyPlannerLovR here, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be planning in my Artake Weekly Tasks Planner for the week of January 1st through the 7th. Yes, I know my Artake planner has changed. The cover is different, and fun fact, this is actually a cover that I got off of Amazon. This is a laptop cover. I know. I did also mess up a little bit on the back here, so you can kind of see the seam, but it's okay. No one needs to know. It's still beautiful. I just needed a change for the new year, so I was like, you know what? I'm going to get a cover. I'm going to put it on, and the cover is actually like super removable, so I could totally get a different one and change up the cover throughout the year. So I am very excited about this. I know I haven't been doing my Artake Plan With Me's for a couple of weeks. It's just because the week of Christmas and the week of New Year's are crazy busy, so I knew I would not have the chance to do it. So that is why we are going to start here. We're going to go ahead and begin with the new year and start fresh. Alright, so what we're going to be using for this week is the Winter Fawn kit by ReddHeadStickers. We're going to be hopefully just using the journaling kit, but I did also grab the full kit just in case I needed to pull some items like washi or things like that, but I do have my regular washi as well, just in case I need it. But we're going to hope to just use the actual journaling kit. So let's go ahead and move in to the very first of the week or of the year in my Artake planner. Kind of hoping that I didn't need to cover up the dates, but unfortunately I am going to need to do that. So that should be our first task, is to just cover this up. It has been quite a long time since I have been in this planner, because like I said, the weeks just get super busy and hectic, and I just forget to do anything in this planner. But that's okay, because now we have New Year and a new planner stack and all of the fun things. So did you guys have a good New Year? Did you get anything exciting for Christmas? What have you been up to? I would love to know. I am super nosy, so I like to know what people have been up to. And did your kids get a visit from Santa? If you have any little ones, what have you guys been doing? I feel like it's been so long since we have chatted in a plan with me that I forget what to do and I forget what to say. Is anybody else like that, or is it just me? Because sometimes I feel like it's just me. All right, now let's go ahead and get those days on. I'll put the dates down later because I don't feel like doing that right now. But what we are going to do is we're going to take this gorgeous fawn and we're going to put her in the corner right here. I am slightly, probably a little bit more than slightly obsessed with this kit. When Chandel shared the releases with the PR team, I immediately knew that this was a kit that I needed to use because it is just absolutely gorgeous and I'm obsessed. So we always use this for my Instagram comments. I like to have that for those comments because it helps me keep track of where I'm at. I'm a little behind in my comments, unfortunately. I think we're going to make this, we're going to use a full box for this. So I could probably just white out this entire corner here. Okay. And then I've got to have a film and edit list, which are going to be these two. And then I want to add some washi over here in this corner. I don't know why, I just feel like I should. There we go. And then I want to use some of this washi that comes with the kit. And then I do need to pull at least 2 full boxes. So got that one. White out these bullets here. Okay, and then one more over here, possibly. Or do I want to do one of these notes? Maybe one of the notes will be better. Okay, so we could do one like that. And then, oh, there's another one. Oh, good. Okay. Like this, and then put the other one right here. There we go. That's not bad. And then what I could do is I could also put another note right there. Make it a little less obvious. Trying to help cover up some of the washi here. There we go. Oh, that's so fun. Oh, I love this. Okay. So I need to get my filming and editing scripts from ReddHeadStickers. Okay, so this is our film list. And this is our edit list. Okay, and then I was thinking I could turn one of these boxes into my pods box. Probably should have thought this out better, but it is too late now. So that's a little too close. These colors are slightly different colors, but not super noticeable, so I think we'll be okay. There we go. Okay. And then we'll put this here. Okay. I do want to put post right there. Okay. And then I feel like it's just adding the little pieces from the journaling kit. I'm really glad I was able to not use all of the items from the actual kit, because I wanted to make sure that I'd have plenty to play with here. Alright everyone, that is it for this week in my Artake planner using the Winter Fawn kit by ReddHeadStickers. If you guys are wanting to save some money off of your order, you can use my code Megan. It will save you 15% off of your order and you will receive my adorable freebie, which is this cutie right here with Fufu and all of the beautiful Christmas things. If you did like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you're notified when I post new videos. If you are not already following me on Instagram and TikTok, don't forget to follow me there. My username is @CraftyPlannerLovR, just like it is here on YouTube. All of my videos and different playlists will be linked down in the description box below, so check those out if you are interested in seeing all of the different content I share. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, craft on. Bye guys!